What are you doing? You're eating my apple.
Wow.
It looks really good, right?
Coochie coochie. Coochie coochie.
Gucci? I like to eat fat meat. Fat meat tastes good.
I regret my afternoon snack now. You've spoiled me now.
Why?
But I see that you could actually cook me dinner. Beady beady.
I'm making you dinner. Why are you looking at me? Pick out the leaves. This is rosemary. Have you seen rosemary?
I saw Rosemary's Baby one time.
It smells like herb. Whoa, it's not easy to chop this. Don't eat too much. I'm making you dinner. You will get full if you're eating too many crackers. And then I will dice the apple. I should have diced the apple the last because the color will change. What are you doing? You're eating my apples. Add onion white, rosemary. Salt, pepper. Remove the heat. Dry with paper towel. Some salt, pepper. Flip it to the other side. Salt, pepper. 1 tablespoon of butter. About 2 minutes per side. More rosemary. 1 tablespoon maple syrup and vinegar. It smells super good right now. Chicken stock. Water. Oh, this vinegar is wine vinegar. Butter. Salt. Some pepper. We'll return the pork to the pan. Add the apple in. The lettuce. It smells really good. Salt, pepper. Pork for you, pork for you. Make it pretty. Pour more the sauce. Wow, that's a lot of pork. Looks so good. Oh, my plate is too small. Wow. A little bit more sauce. Whoa.
Wow.
It looks really good, right?
I'm
Looks
looking
the
at it
color.
and I'm noticing it looks fresh. Did you just make it?
Yes, of course.
So get from this angle, you can actually see whatever sauce you've got on top of this stuff. It's kind of like rolling off.
Yes, I just poured the sauce.
What's underneath there?
It's a, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a
Couscous, baby.
couscous, yes. Wow, it looks really good.
Chia, she'd call it coochie coochie. Coochie coochie.
Gucci? You look like rice, right?
Tiny rice.
Oh yes, tiny rice. Wow. Are you hungry? The salad smells very sour. I think I put too much vinegar in the salad. Okay, ready to eat. It's getting cold now. Oh, you got more fat. Salad might be sour. It is too sour?
No.
Really?
What kind of salad is this? Tell me about it.
This is the lettuce with apple and salt and pepper, wine vinegar with, how to pronounce it?
Man-made vinegar? Mayonnaise vinegar?
Yes, I feel like if I put the maple syrup in the salad, maybe it'll be sweeter.
Baby, it's not mayonnaise vinegar. It's white wine vinegar.
I mixed with
Mayonnaise. Because I was wondering what the white stuff is. So it's mayonnaise, white wine vinegar,
Yes.
salt, pepper.
Yes.
Oh, is there maple syrup in the dressing also? Or is the maple syrup on the meat?
On the meat.
Oh, is that what the glaze is? The liquid on top of the meat, that's the maple syrup?
That's the maple syrup mixed with a lot of stuff.
So it's like a meat pancake.
It's get cold now. I have been waiting for you. Do you want me to warm it up? I can warm it up.
No.
I feel the pork is not as soft as the grind pork.
You mean the minced pork that we had in the meatloaf?
Yes, yes.
Or are you talking about the hamburger?
Both.
Well, of course it's not, sweetie. This one you have to chew it up yourself. Minced meat, somebody chewed it for you.
Really?
I like the salad.
I think it's too sour for me.
Okay, so the pear and arugula salad was my favorite salad before. Now this is my favorite salad.
Really? You like sour?
It's not totally sour,
Yes, if you eat with apple.
although I am concerned. I've watched you make a couple of these meals now, and you're using mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, I've never eaten mayonnaise before until recently. You're putting it in my salad dressing, and I realize that it's in the sriracha sauce.
The mayonnaise is not good.
I just, mayonnaise is one of those things that looks strange to me, so I've always avoided it.
I like to eat fat meat. Fat meat tastes good. The fat meat tastes better than the thin meat. I really like fat meat. How is the flavor?
Maybe I'm still working on the salad.
I started with the meat.
Yeah.
I don't really like salad.
I learned to save the good stuff till the end. So eat the salad first.
Maybe put some maple syrup on the salad.
The salad's sweet enough with the apple. The apple's actually very sweet.
Do you think I cooked the meat too long?
I don't know. How long did you cook it?
Over 2 minutes on each side. It should be 2 minutes. Maybe I had 30 seconds more. It's not super tender, right?
Okay, so I like the couscous underneath.
Honey rice,
What spices did you put on the meat? Is it just pepper?
maple vinegar, and the chicken.
Oh, you put chicken broth on it? Because I was getting a little bit of salty flavor that wasn't exactly pig-like. Now that you tell me it's chicken, I recognize it. You've got these little onions on the top. Did you actually cook those, or
No.
did you just put them on top?
It's raw.
Okay.
I put it on the top.
That's what I thought, because they've still got a very fresh onion, zingy little bite to them.
Also, it also has rosemary.
Rosemary? Okay, I like it. I think it's pretty good. The pepper, the onion, the rosemary, I think it goes together well.
I think I still like the meatloaf and the burger. They're better than this.
I don't know. I think they're all
I think
good
because
in their own way.
Because I don't really like to eat the thin meat. The fat part of the pork tastes good. I like the fat part. I like fat meat. Fat meat mixed with the thin meat.
I like the smell. The rosemary.
I still have one more rosemary.
We should plant some of these types of things. Rosemary, thyme, mint. We should plant these things in the backyard.
The mint tastes really good in the meat. Mix the mint with meat.
We should plant them in the backyard. Then you can go out and pick the stuff from the ground and cook with it.
We have more. I forgot the name again.
Coochie. Couscous.
The couscous tastes good.
Yes, I like it.
Do you want to add more sauce to your
Nope.
meat?
Nope.
But you added sauce on your burger yesterday.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to add it to this because this is pretty good. I regret my afternoon snack now.
You had lots of crackers.
Lots of hungry.
Later on, if you are hungry, I will make the carrot fries.
Well, later on, if I'm hungry, I'm going to eat this other pork cutlet. I'm saving it.
We have more.
Now, did you actually boil this stuff?
Yes.
Get it in a microwave bag?
No. This was wrong. I cooked it. It's very easy to cook it. I like to eat this with my fat meat. Do you want the thin meat? I can trade your fat meat.
Are you telling me you want the ring of fat that is on the outside of my...
Yes, we trade. Yes, the fat meat.
You mean the fat?
Yes, I like the fat.
Seriously?
We trade
No, baby, I'm not trading you that. I'm just giving you the...
fat meat. It's just a batch.
The apple was really sweet.
That's why the salad is sour. What you make tomorrow?
Sonic, Dairy Queen, Burger King.
Yeah, yes. I like Burger King.
Nope, you've spoiled me now.
Why?
But I see that you can actually cook me dinner.
But tomorrow is Friday. No cooking on Friday.
Why not?
We'll go on a date at the food court.
I don't know. After this week and all this food, maybe we need to go on a date at the gym.
Yes, our date at the gym.
I'll sit on the sofa and watch Netflix on my phone while you do the elliptical machine. I'll offer you emotional support. Every now and then I'll look over and I'll say, good job.
May I have more?
Napkins?
No.
Salt? Pepper?
The tiny rice.
Vegetable oil.
Just a 1 spoon. A little bit. Just a little. That's too much.
Too much. Too little.
Okay, that's about right.
Is this one just right?
Yeah, just the right. So I want to call this tiny rice. I'm getting full. It's good. Do you want salad?
Do you have leftover salad?
Yes. I normally don't really like salad. Wow. Again, I have been eating for 20 minutes.
So I noticed today that the grocery store has recipes that
Yes.
they give out for free
Yes.
in the produce department and in the fish department and in the meat department and in the other departments.
We
You
have
should use some of their recipes that we get from the grocery store.
5 recipes, and those are breakfast.
I don't know if they're breakfast, they're just recipes I picked up because they looked like they were good. For some reason I've been wanting Brussels sprouts and I don't know why.
Oh, eggplant.
Yeah, for some reason I've been wanting to eat Brussels sprouts and I don't know why.
Brussels. What is Brussels?
Sprouts. Baby cabbages. You cut them in half and put oil and salt and pepper and bake
You didn't.
them.
Oh, the recipe is on the back.
Yes, the picture's on the front to make you hungry and the recipe's on the back.
I feel all the recipes has pepper and salt. I will eat it later. And it has strong smell. That's all for today. Bye-bye. We don't have dessert today. We're...
R2-D2, take this message to Obi-Wan Kenobi. Beady beady, beady beady.